I'm running your information right now. Right now I'm having a little hard time finding your information. Could be because it's out of New Mexico. Possibly could be the reason why. We have a fingerprint scanner that can do that. It would expedite this, get you out of here much faster. Good with doing that?
I guess.
Yeah.
No.
This person didn't just walk to your house and say, hey, here's this credit card, do this at the bank because you need some extra cash. There had to have been something set in motion.
No, literally that's how it was. And
someone just walked to your house.
No. The person, I met them one time, okay? One time and one time only. And
so you have no idea who Emily Hancock is?
No.
And you're just taking her money?
No idea it was in her purse as well.
Yeah, because they were, I was gonna do the withdrawal, that's it.
You're just gonna take her money?
No,
doesn't matter what kind of financial crisis she's in, right?
On July 6th, 2024, Orlando police responded to a fraudulent cash advance at a Fairwinds Credit Union branch. The subject had already collected $3,000 at the same branch the day before.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Nah, come on over here and have some food. Better. That silver Jeep took a 10-8. Or it's taking a 10-8. But I don't think it's going to be it. You got ID on you?
No, he has my ID.
Okay. What's going on?
Oh, he's right there. I don't know.
Okay, we'll be with you in a minute. We'll be with you in a minute. What car are you driving?
I came in an Uber.
Came in an Uber? Okay.
Yeah. I'm on a work trip.
You on a work trip?
Yeah.
That goes on thanks with the work trip.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, hang on. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
She's saying she came in an Uber, so I'm not sure. Nobody else left. She's out there out of the parking lot. Do me a favor, hang on with your phone. Put your phone down.
Okay.
No. Listen. You live out here?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay, where do you live?
I live on that address. That's on my ID.
Okay. What are you doing out here?
I'm on a work trip.
Okay. Okay. Just give us a minute to I haven't spoken to anybody yet. Well, that's her phone there. She's texting on it.
Appreciate it.
I had to put it down.
This is the only ID that you have?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. What's going on?
I was just trying to figure that out. We got a call. Like I said, right now, completing an investigation. Doesn't mean anything's gonna happen. We just gotta figure out. We got a call. So we gotta talk to them to see what's going on, okay?
Oh, okay. I'm just a little confused because I'm there on a work trip and I'm like...
Okay. What do you do for work?
I do cabinet work.
Okay. From New Mexico?
Yeah. Why I live in New
Excellent.
Mexico right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't want to put her information all out. It's kind of private. Who was the teller that was speaking with her?
Me.
Okay.
Yeah, I helped her.
Okay. So what happened when she walked in? Well, first of all, did she walk in by herself?
Yeah, she walked in by herself. Basically, she came to the line and she goes, hey, I want to do a cash advance. She had filled out a slip of sign one. She's not a member with us. New Mexico ID.
Hold on one second. It's going to be the officer, so.
Yeah.
Sorry, if you don't mind starting over.
Yeah, you're good. So basically, she just walked up. She was a little bit nervous. I could kind of tell. So then she comes up, she goes, hey, I want to do a cash advance. I said, I looked at the idea, I was like, okay, so for how much? She says, 5 if I can, 3 if you can do it. And I was like, okay, well, give me just a few moments while I look at that for you. So I just messaged our manager group chat. That we've had her trying to do this multiple times, like at other branches, so it was like a lookout. So then, my ABM, Michael, came over. I gave him the license and the card so then he could go back there and look at it, and then I just make small talk pretty much the whole time.
What is it that you guys are looking to do? Like, what has she done? I know you said that it's like, okay, look up what's the advances, what is that?
I'm a floater, I'm not always here.
Okay.
Yeah, so 2 days ago or a day ago, she came in doing a cash advance for $3,000 with a newer teller that was here. So she processed it for her. But this time she was trying to do one for 3 or 5, like whatever she could get off the card.
One of the IDs that was captured from another branch yesterday.
Oh, great.
I'll give it over to you in a minute.
So I think she's using multiple IDs.
Fake IDs.
Fake IDs, yeah.
Okay.
Well, the other one I think was like, I forget what state it was, but it like looks really fake. Yeah.
Okay. Tell her something to this area.
Yeah. So we have all the copies of it.
Yeah.
Is that her only ID?
That's the one that she provided.
We have other emails in regards to the ID numbers, the names on the IDs, but that's the only actual ID.
She was going by that name as well.
Okay.
She was trying to do cash advances off the business debit card. I'm not sure if she has more than one business debit
Yeah.
card, but that's the only thing we got.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So basically, she's been going around to different Fairwinds banks, showing different types of IDs, trying to get cash advances. What's your name again?
My name is Emily Hancock.
Okay, and your date of birth?
It's 4/20/81.
Say it again, sorry.
It's 4/20/81.
Okay. So, police officers, right? We try to identify everyone that we come in contact with and stuff like that. So I'm running your information right now. Right now I'm having a little hard time finding your information. Could be because it's out of New Mexico. Possibly could be the reason why. We have a fingerprint scanner that can do that. It would be expedite this, get you out of here much faster. Good with doing that?
I guess.
Yeah. So we're just gonna grab it real quick, okay?
Okay. Can I have my phone?
No.
Just until we're done. with that.
So listen, sweetheart. We're conducting a criminal investigation right now. So right now you are detained, and you cannot use your phone. Okay. And I'm going to say this to you as well. If you lie about your identity, you're going to go to jail. Okay. You understand me? I'm going to be straight up with you. So don't play this game back and forth with us. All right. If we give you, I'm going to have you give him your information. If at any point you lie about it, which we're going to find out because we're going to scan you,
Right.
you're going to go to jail.
Right.
It's as simple as that. There's no other way around it.
Okay.
Are we understood?
So this ID that you handed me is you.
No, it's not.
It's not you.
No.
What is your real name?
My name is Tabitha
Tabitha? And your last name?
Pagan.
Pagan.
Give me your social security and your date of birth.
Is that a Florida ID?
Yeah.
Tabitha, so
Yeah.
spell it.
Tabitha.
And your middle initial?
Pagan. Pagan.
That's your middle initial?
No, I don't have a middle
Okay.
initial.
No middle name?
So that she's using somebody's real info. You understand that's a felony, right?
Yeah.
When you use somebody's information that comes back to a real person, you have now committed a felony crime. Okay. I'm just making you very aware of that.
Try to run this on.
Can I have my phone now?
You just explained to you can't have. We're conducting an investigation, criminal
But
investigation.
I just want to let somebody know that. Am I going to be detained?
Yes, you are being.
No, what I'm saying, you're taking me to
We don't know
jail.
yet. But you're not using your phone. You're not going nowhere.
I just want to let somebody
It's not gonna
know.
happen. No.
Okay.
Okay. This is what you decided to do. Now.
I know, I'm sorry.
Okay. But you're not using your phone. Your phone is now in our possession.
I get it, but I just wanted to let somebody know that. Go on.
You just need to sit tight and you need to relax. You need to wait till it's good. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why just trying to give you guys the easier job so you guys could just dip out. All right, Miss Pagan. All right, so obviously police officers are here, so obviously we are investigating, correct? I'm not going to lie to you. As of right now, I'm just trying to figure out what's happening, right? So I'm going to ask you some questions just to clarify. Just like how I got their story, I want your story as well, right? Okay? I haven't made any decision yet on what's going on. I just want to understand fully what's going on before I make a decision, correct? Okay? But before I ask you questions, I do have to read your rights, okay? Doesn't mean that any decision is made. It's just something that I have to do just to understand what's going on, okay? So when I read you these questions, I just need you to answer in a yes or no, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay? Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand? Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me? No? Okay. So what's going on?
I was just doing this because I'm in like financial stance, and that's the only reason why I did it.
This case turns on three doctrines: detention, interrogation, and digital search. The lobby contact was an investigative detention under Terry versus Ohio, which requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion, not probable cause. A branch lookout, the teller's account, and a prior day transaction cleared that threshold easily. Probable cause crystallized the moment the subject surrendered the fake identification. The 4 Miranda warnings were administered completely, before any substantive interrogation. Under Miranda versus Arizona, that sequencing is what validates the waiver. The officer added a fifth, non-required question about threats and promises, building a contemporaneous anti-coercion record for any future suppression hearing. The voluntariness vulnerability lies elsewhere. Repeated suggestions that cooperation would reduce charges trigger the doctrine, articulated in Bram versus United States. Charging concessions belong to the prosecutor, not the arresting officer. An officer's implied promise carries legal weight, and a defense attorney will raise it at suppression.
It wasn't like something that I wanted to do.
Okay.
And here I am.
Your financial needs. What gave you the idea to even do this?
Somebody made it sound so sweet, like just hearing it from other people, and I was just like, maybe I'll just take a risk because it's something that I've never done. I mean, I don't do anything like this. I don't ever get in trouble. I've never been in trouble, so it's like, you know, you follow the wrong footsteps, and here I am.
Okay. Who told you to do this?
Just people, like, I've heard people like doing it. I've seen people doing it, and like.
Where? Like how do you see people? Because I'm trying to say I've never seen anyone do this, so that's why I'm trying to figure out where are you seeing people do this?
Like what I'm saying, like I've seen it like movies, you know.
Okay.
Like, those are the type of things. So,
okay.
Like,
how many times have you done this?
This is my first time.
Your first time.
That's what I'm saying. This is like my first time. This is my first time, and here I am. Like.
Okay. So, where are you getting these IDs from?
It was given to me.
From who?
It was given to me from a person. I don't even know him.
Where did you find him?
I didn't find him. It was just like from a person, like, and then they went to that person, and then it was just like they gave it to me.
So I understand it may be that you're not trying to like throw something under the bus, but like I said, at the end of the day, we're talking to you. We're not talking to these other people.
I know.
We're talking to you.
But I
and this
don't know
story
their
is not
names.
making
That's why
any
I'm saying-
sense.
No.
This person didn't just walk to your house and say, hey, here's this credit card, do this at the bank because you need some extra cash. There had to have been something set in motion. You know?
No. Literally, that's how it was. And
Someone just walked to your house.
No. The person. I met them one time, okay? One time and one time only. And then he was like, we can do this. And then it was just like that. And then it was super fast. And then I came today and this is where I'm at. And I promise you, I've never been in trouble. I've never done this before. This is my first time. And I'm like,
this is your first time. Okay. So, listen, I'm very big on respect. You tell me the truth, I tell you the truth, correct? You're saying this is your first time. They have you using this card yesterday to get another cash advance yesterday. So this is obviously not your first time.
That's what I'm saying. Yesterday I came. That's why I told the other officer I came yesterday because I was coming to get the cash.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is my second time here today because they told me that I could do it. That was it. And I was like, okay, well.
And you're claiming someone just randomly came up to you, gave you this ID, this credit card, and said, hey, get some cash. That makes no sense.
Where's your car? Where's your Honda?
My car?
Where's your Honda?
It's not here.
Are you sure?
I'm positive my car's not here. You don't see it.
I understand that. Because somebody's in it.
No, nobody's in it.
Where do you stay at?
I stay in Valrico.
Where?
Valrico.
Where's that?
Valrico?
Valrico.
And you coming all the way to Orlando?
Yeah.
This is the closest Fairwinds to you.
Listen.
Do you understand, like, we've been doing this for a very long time, right? All of us combined here over 20 years.
Yeah. Here. I'll tell you that right now. Here's what's going to happen. I already told you. You bullshit me once.
No,
Stop talking.
I promise
Let me finish.
you,
So you took an Uber from Valrico to Orlando.
Yeah.
Can you, that's your phone, right? Uber is thrown out. You can show us that you
order the Uber. I didn't order the Uber. They ordered me the Uber.
Miss
I'm promising you.
Miss Fagan, you understand how that seems? You're saying a random person came to your house, gave you this ID, gave you this credit card, and now they're booking you a random Uber?
He's not a random person.
Who is he? That's what I'm saying. Explain it to us.
It's a person that I met one time. Okay?
You're about to take a rap for a whole thing.
I know, okay? It's a person, okay?
Well, I'll tell you what. Here's what's going to happen. So you drove an hour and 20 minutes to come to Orlando for this. So here's what's going to happen. And I'm not playing games with you right now.
I know.
You're going to jail.
I'm sorry.
You're going to jail.
Please don't.
No. I'm telling you now, you're going to jail. Okay, so that's going to happen. So here's
Take me to jail.
and you good, Dominican? You good with me? All right, so here's what's going to happen. You're going to jail. He's taken to
already
jail.
Mirandized.
Yeah, so defrauding
Can I let
an
somebody
innkeeper,
know?
I'll get you.
Yeah, okay.
So listen,
don't-
you go. Stop talking for a minute. You're going to jail. The way this works is I'm.
Jail.
That's it.
Crimes have been committed.
I know.
Listen. Stop the. I don't know who gave me this information. Okay, get on your phone and give us this number of this person that's done this. Number one. Okay, because I'll tell you right now, you will go to jail solely for everything you have committed.
Okay.
Okay, I don't want to hear. I don't know who he is. I don't want to hear. I just met him yesterday. I don't want to hear. He's a friend from overseas. I don't want to hear it. I've been doing this 21 years, and I've been doing this actual crime stuff.
Okay.
No, stop. Just sit down for a
Can I
minute.
get the
Let me finish, and then we can go. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've also been a detective doing this. So you can stop the whole bullshit. Okay. Stop. And when I'm done talking, then I'll let you speak. If you continue to play the I don't know game, I'm telling you right now, we're done talking.
Okay,
Just let me finish talking. So you understand very clearly what I'm saying to
But
you.
I wanna
Let me
tell you
finish.
that
You're
I
not
don't
listening to me.
know.
Listen to me. If the I don't know thing continues, and I don't have numbers to people, and I don't know if that continues, we're done talking. You're going to go to jail for what we have. Because you're going, that's it. And then we're not even going to start, we're not even going to look at this anymore.
Okay, I don't want to go to jail because I promise you I'll give you all
What
the
I'm telling you is,
information.
I don't want to hear the I don't know shit. I've been doing this too long to hear I don't know. Okay. Are we very clear on this? You're not going to go through your phone. If you would allow us to go through your phone and you want to get some numbers for him to take, then we will investigate this further. Okay, but other than that, you'll take the whole damn rap and we're done.
No, I don't want to.
No, Valrico.
But you're not giving us the information.
Okay, but like, can I get my phone to give you the
What
number?
do you want to show us on your phone?
You want a number, right? I'm
Yes.
trying to give
What's
you
their
the number.
name? How did you meet them?
I don't know. I met him through a friend. I'm telling you, I'm
Like
being
Facebook? Was it Instagram? How? No one just gets a
off the
random
street.
number.
Off the street. I met him off the street.
And why did he approach you?
Because, like I told you, I was desperate to make money because I was in a financial state. And that was it. And this is like my first time that I'm actually making a move like this.
Okay, and Miss Pagan, again, the truthfulness thing, right? So, Fairwinds has you flagged, obviously, cameras and stuff like that, facial recognition, all that stuff like that. This is not your first time. And I don't like being lied to, just like Corporal Falbo does not being lied to. He's been doing this a lot longer than I have as well. He's done deeper investigation than this. This is pretty cut and dry. So for you to lie to us like that doesn't make any sense.
I'm not lying to you. I promise you, I'm
Miss
not
Pagan,
lying to
all
you.
you've done since we stepped out with you was lie to us.
In
You
the
gave me
beginning,
this
I
ID.
did. In the beginning, I did because I was scared,
Miss
obviously,
Pagan,
and I'm sorry.
this isn't the first time you've given someone else ID. You've given other people's ID, like an ID out of New Jersey and stuff like that. We have all of that documented on camera, and we're asking for you to just talk to us.
Yeah, and I am, but I'm promising you.
This
I've
is not
never
your first
had-
time.
No, I swear to God, this is my first time. I've never had another ID.
So you have no idea who Emily Hancock is,
No.
and you're just taking her money.
No idea it was in her purse as well.
Yeah, because they were. I was gonna do the withdrawal. That's it.
You're just going to take her money. Doesn't matter what kind of financial crisis she's in, right? It's only about yourself.
And I know, and I did some mistake.
Right? You weren't thinking about Emily Hancock when you were taking her hard-earned
I know,
money.
and I'm sorry. I was thinking about myself and not anybody else, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And you have no idea who this person is or anything like that, right? Okay. What are you trying to give us from your phone?
You wanted the person's number.
And you have no idea, no face, anything like that, no name.
I don't know.
You don't even save his name under his phone. Nothing.
You all got text messages, communications, or anything?
So how do you contact? Like, none of that makes sense.
I contact somebody else contacts them with me. For
Who's
me.
this somebody else?
I'm not putting you out right now with that.
Yeah.
Is he taking the phone?
For a search warrant?
Did he say that?
He didn't say it, but probably should.
You can put it in evidence.
Yeah. Yeah. But
No, that's mine. It's mine.
Okay. I don't know if you got the money for something else.
how many other?
No.
How many,
That's my money order.
How many other IDs did they give you?
That's the only one. I promise you, that's the only one.
It's in there.
Okay.
Flights here from different states. I don't know who Mr. Cruz is or Josine Cruz is.
Like, what is this?
Yeah, there's
We just came back from a vacation. I just came back from
Who's Joe Sean Cruz?
That is my boyfriend.
Where is he?
He's not here. He's at
She's
his
got a
house.
rental agreement out of San Francisco, so it's Phoenix to from NCO to Phoenix, Phoenix to SFO.
Yeah, we'll take all that. We'll take our phone because we got a bunch of messages coming in right now. It's on airplane mode right now. We're putting evidence like equal crimes.
Okay.
If you're good with what you have,
Yeah.
Let them work. What part do you want to go with me, or what part do you want us?
Let's,
any paperwork. Yeah, just I would just
Officer, most likely you are, man. Being honest.
Can I let somebody
We
know?
haven't received a lie to you at all, man.
It's a lot of different IDs.
Do you have anything on you that you
No,
should
I
have?
don't. Can I let somebody know that I'm going
when
to
you go
jail?
to the jail, you'll be able to get.
I don't know their numbers.
Here's the thing, the only way that would concern us if you had minor children that needed attending to, that's it. Other than that, if you're you trying to let a grown person know about where you're well off, we're not concerned. We're concerned about children. Do you have any
Do I have
kids?
an iPhone SE?
Is that her? Is that a second phone?
That was the second
Can I
phone
let
inside the
somebody
first.
know, please?
So she has two phones.
Got two phones.
No, that one doesn't work.
Well, you got a message on it.
Something coming in through
You
it.
got a message right
It's
now.
because it's probably connected to Wi-Fi.
So it does work.
No. It's probably connected to Wi-Fi.
All right, listen. So we're taking this stuff. It'll be in evidence, and it's going to be as simple as that. Unfortunately, when you come to Orlando and you commit this stuff, you're going to go to jail.
Okay, can I please let someone know?
When you go to jail, they'll
Can I
they'll
write
give you a phone
somebody's
call.
number down, please?
At this point, we cannot get into your phone because it's evidence.
A lot of different
Okay.
things. My goodness.
Your phone is our evidence at this point. We're not unlocking the airplane mode. All right, we are now gonna. It's in a secure mode where we have to keep it.
you can contact the detectives and they'll decide whether or not you can get your phones back, okay?
Okay. I don't know nobody's number.
No, I'll get you both names.
Thank you.
They're counting cash right now, so I can't get you.
Thank you. Can I talk to you outside for a second when we're done? Thanks, sir. I just need Sherry to do a search.
Can I call somebody, please?
At the jail, they'll give you that opportunity, okay?
I don't know nobody's number.
They'll assist
please.
you in looking that up, okay? Who are you trying to call?
My mom or my sister, somebody, please.
Okay. What's their name in your phone?
It's my sister's under sister. My mom's under Mama Bear. Can I please call somebody, please?
Okay.
Please, I'm asking you.
Are you giving me?
nicely.
Are you giving us permission to go into your phone and your contacts to do that?
We'll bring it out here, and we'll do it once we sit you down.
Okay. Once we get a female officer to search you, we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just like you go.
Yeah.
Bottom first one.
Comes with this stuff.
Can I call somebody now?
I'll ask that officer here, okay?
Please.
Get your phone just now.
Please.
Put you in a seatbelt, okay? If you're traveling, we don't want you to get hurt.
Can I please call somebody?
On the digital
Just give us
evidence,
a minute, Todd.
both phones were placed in airplane mode and declared evidence pending a warrant. That is direct compliance with Riley versus California, which requires a warrant. Before searching cell phone content, seized incident to arrest. Preservation without searching was the correct call. 3 Florida statutes structure the prosecution's case. Florida Statute Section 817.234 covers defrauding a financial institution. Florida Statute Section 817.568 treats each fraudulent use of another person's identification as a separate felony count. Florida Statute Section 843.085 converts a false name to law enforcement after lawful detention into a standalone felony. The prior day transaction defeats any first offender mitigation at sentencing. The lead officer earns a B+ for clean Miranda and Riley handling, docked for condescending tone and unauthorized cooperation framing. The subject earns a C for generating a standalone felony at first contact and waiving counsel in a multi-count investigation. The credit union staff earns an A-. The lookout worked on attempt 2, but a $3,000 loss on day 1 exposed a training gap. 3 lessons. Document the moment probable cause crystallizes with precision. Route every cooperation discussion through a prosecutor, never through an officer alone. And make fraud lookouts mandatory, not advisory. Let us know what legal topic you want us to cover next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel.